let's talk about days of the week. Okay, let's go for Monday. What should you do on a Monday? So Monday, I would then suggest is a moon day, which is all about your emotions. So you want to check your chart out, see what your moon sign is as well. So Monday, I would say settle your emotions, okay, before the week starts. So Monday is great, spending some time and removing and cleansing the house of yourself, so the temple inside of you. Um, Drink lots of water on a Monday, because obviously the moon and the water is massively involved with each other. So yeah, that's Monday. So settle it out, sort it out, cleanse it, clear it, and then on Tuesday is action day. So Mars, whoa, Mars is a warrior. So that energy coming to you is an energy of a warrior. Okay, so it's action. So if there's stuff that you want to get done, do on a Tuesday, right? So even if it's building, even if it's physical, get the body ready. Let's action it. Wednesday is Mercury's day, so it's all about communication. Send the email, start going on social media, start to say you're going to do certain things. Wednesday's great for that. Mercury is the messenger, so it's the messenger of God. It lives inside your head here, right at the back, and it sends all. So like if you can think about it like this, is the sun comes through Mercury. Mercury splits the two lights. You have 7 raises. So you've got the sun on one side and the moon on the other side. So it splits. So the energy of true creation comes through, goes through Mercury, which is the messenger, and then it splits the sun that way and the moon that way. And then you have the sun on this side, it's got the 7 raises, and you've got the moonlight, which is the only light. So it's all about communication because it all becomes one at the start. Thursday, Jupiter's day. So reward, man, Jupiter. Who lives in Jupiter? Jesus, right? So it's all about family and love. And what does Jesus teach you? Family and love, family and love. Brother and sister, we are all as one. So Jupiter's a reward day. So like it rewards you with stuff. Okay. So I like to have Thursdays off and spend it with my family. And I will always go with that, definitely. So then you got Friday, so it's Venus's day, so it's all about freedom for the weekend. You got free Friday. So Venus is all about enjoying yourself, okay? Enjoying. It's almost like it's the mother of the mother. Do you get what I mean? But it teaches you to enjoy and be free. Okay, and experience having a human experience, but enjoy it, okay, because you are free now. Saturday makes sense, doesn't it? Saturn. So Saturn there's 2 energies of Saturn. Obviously, there's 2 energies of all of them, because like Venus, you could overindulge, or you can have it just right. The same as Mars, you can action the wrong thing, and then you have consequences. Virgo, social media, wow, definitely. Mercury, social media can shoot you in the foot as well. So, best thing to do is when you do stuff, do it with the intelligence of what's going to happen next. So, like for example, if I turn around and say I'm going to eat some chips with cheese on it, say I did do that. I would know my future self would say that's a really bad choice to have because you're going to have to deal with the consequences when that happens. And I'm going to feel rubbish afterwards. So my future self tells me not to do it. Edge of 2 swords, okay? So let's go back to Saturn. And the reason why I say this is because Saturn is all about hearing. So Saturn is Saturday. And it teaches you, to listen to yourself inside. But what they've managed to do in where we live, Saturn ends up being you walk into a shopping center and you see things it's like a magnet to you, and you want to be pulled into it. So Saturn is kind of like changed, really. Saturn day is listening day. It's actually finely tuning your instrument, which is your organs. Anyways, Sunday is obviously the sun. Yay, worship the sun, enjoy the sun. What does the sun do? The sun is charity. Sun is always about giving. So you give, give, and appreciate the sun. Just appreciate it, work with it as well. So I'm hoping that gives you like a rundown of what you should be doing in the week, because you also have 2 hours of the day of each different sign as well. So remember, Monday, Moon Day, settle your emotions at the beginning of the week. Tuesday, action. Action stuff, it's Mars. Wednesday, you always see a market on a Wednesday. It's always about selling their merchandise because it's Mercury. Mercury's energy. And it's all about working with social media and trying to get your voice out there and communicating. And then you got Thursday, reward day, Jupiter, Jesus. He gives you rewards, man. It's all about your family. Friday is Venus, so it's freedom, and it's all about enjoying luxury stuff. And then Saturday is Saturn, so it's all about inner works, inside, listening with your ears. So he has a ring around his its body. And then you got Sunday, which is the Sun's day. Okay, and Sunday just means more charity, become charity. Anyway, that's just a quick video on what you should do every day of the week, and that is me out.